Indeed, Carol, yes. We're currently joined by Sam Young Kim. Now, he's the Managing Director for LG East Africa. Mr. Kim, thank you so much for joining us. And one of the things that we want to understand is how has the counterfeit problem continued to manifest?
As you know, in African market, there are many fake and smuggled products. Even though some smuggled products have an LG logo, their specification and technical parts are not fit for the Kenyan market. So this usually leads to low quality product and user experience is compromised. Today, we are very proud to launch this service in Kenya, and we are the first country to develop this and will be rolled out to the rest of Africa. Actually, we are also the first subsidiary to develop this in LG globally.
All right, and now we've seen a lot of companies, and especially companies in tech, coming up with different solutions to address the issue of counterfeit. We've seen some players in your space coming up with technologies that will help customers to understand this is a valid, a legitimate product, and this is a counterfeit. So for you as LG, what are you currently doing to address these issues?
We are going to launch, as I told you, genuine identification service. So with this SMS service, we are providing solution to both our customers and our partners. Once our customers know how to identify our genuine products, there will be less instance of counterfeit products, and our partners will benefit from the influx of business. For example,
coronavirus. And one thing that we want to understand for you, and especially for LG East Africa, with regards to sales, how much have you been affected? Are you experiencing revenue losses? And what is the plan to turn this around?
I think not only LG but also the other companies also they have suffered a lot recently. But the first quarter was quite good start in 2020. But from the April, I can say due to the coronavirus, it has been a little bit shut down. But if the coronavirus will be sorted out, and then we can make the V curve, and then we can recover soon.
All right, let's talk about your mitigation factors that you've put in place in the short term. First of all, are you scaling down on your operations? Are you planning to sort of reduce in terms of what you bring in for sales?
I'm sorry?
I'm saying in the short term, what are some of the mitigating factors that you have put in place to ensure that the company does not go under because of revenue losses?
Actually, it's not that much serious for us. But now currently we are operating normally, and also the sooner or later, as I told you, we can catch up the last year our performance. We hope so.
All right, and let's talk about the issue of you mentioned about looking at the different markets, and especially in the East Africa, and being that your operations are currently going on as normal. So with regards to revenue, the revenue stream and the revenue coming in, are you still seeing the same impact? Or because again, we've seen a lot of companies saying that there's a slowdown with regards to what Kenyans are buying. Is this the same case in East Africa, in Uganda, in Tanzania?
Yes, all of them, almost the same affected. But we need to consider the positive things and also negative things. As I told you, many people we concerned about the only negative things. But now in these days, many people they are staying at home. That's why they have much more time to watch TV. So they need the TV, and also they need to reserve the food. So they need the bigger size of the refrigeration, and also the washing machine they also need. So there is no any big change in their life. So that's why still they are in need of our LG home appliances.
Well, indeed, thank you very much. That was the Managing Director for LG East Africa, Mr. Kim Young. Mr. Kim Young.